So today I'm going to demonstrate you how to create a class and how to create a permanent link for that class. First we will create the class. So for creating class, this blue color indicates this is teacher window, and this red color indicate I am in the student window. First for creating the class, I'm moving to the teacher window. I am in the teacher window, so I am creating the class by clicking this symbol. Just you press the create class. In that class, you have to give the class name. Okay, and you can give a section. Then what about the subject? So you can give any name, and by clicking the create, it will create the class for you. It has created the class. Now you can invite your students to join the class. For joining the class, you can one option is you can send your class code by right click and copy this code and send it the class code through WhatsApp. Okay, this is the one option. You can invite your students, and another option is you can go here in the people tab. Okay, here you can click. You can invite the students by clicking here and adding students mail here. So I am adding and clicking the student's mail ID, and I am inviting the students. So now you have invited the students. So first of all, you understand, keep in mind, you can invite the students, those who are in the same domain, not in the another domain, or else not in the, there is not in another domain, and not in the those who are having the Gmail ID, those students also you can't invite. Okay, only you can invite the students, those are belong to this same domain. So now I have sent the invitation to the students. Now I am switch over to the student tab. So here the students got the invitations from the teacher. One thing, the students can join the class or decline the acceptance. So here I am joining the class. So after the students have joined, now the student has joined the class. In the teacher window, it is the teacher window. In this, you just click the stream tab. In the stream tab, you can generate the meeting link which is unique to this class. Okay, so you can conduct that is one link. Okay, one link, it will be share for the multiple periods. Whatever may be the time, you can conduct the class even 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock or 2 o'clock. Whatever may be the time, the link will be the same. So you can generate the meeting link by clicking this. So I am clicking this, and it will automatically generate the meeting link for this. It will be unique for this class, and you can make it visible to the students, or you can disable it so that the student can't view. If you are enable it, the students able to view, and by clicking that link, he can join your meeting. Okay, so you have to, whatever changes you have made, you have to save it. So I have saved it. Now I will move on to the student tab. Now the link is visible for the students. Okay, so the student, by clicking this video link, okay, meeting link, he can join your meeting, and as well as the teacher can restrict the student joining of the class. That is, you can restrict yearly joining of the class, students, as well as rejoining of the students after the once the meeting is over. So for that, the teacher, this is the teacher window. The teacher should go to your settings. Okay, go to your settings and come down. Here you can reset your meeting link, as well as you can disable to the visibility of the student. Okay, disable the link visibility for the student. And so whatever changes you have made, first you have to save it, then only it will be reflected for the students. Okay, I have saved. Now I will switch on to the student. So here it is invisible. Whenever the students open his classroom, it is invisible for the students. So in this way, you can restrict, you can have a permanent link. Okay, no need to generate a meeting link every time. every time you conduct the meeting. Okay, as well as you can have a permanent meeting link in your classroom itself. This is unique for your class, as well as you can restrict the students also. So thank you.